Hey everyone, Rocky here. I'm getting my garden started this year and I wanted to do a little experiment to see which potting soil out there really performs best as far as premium soil mixes on the market. So I'm going to do a little experiment and compare and contrast 3 different premium potting soils and plant the same plant in these soils in the same size pot, keep them under the same water regimen, and see how they perform over about I don't know, 4 or 5 weeks. And we're going to come back and see the results. So these are the 3 premium potting mixes that I chose. SunGrow is used a lot in industrial landscaping, and then Fox Farm, you may have heard of Fox Farm. It's a very nutrient dense soil. And then Pro Mix as well, which is very sphagnum moss heavy. So each one contains a little bit different blend of nutrients, but we're gonna compare all 3 of these and see how they do with the same type of plant, which is a spoon tomato. It's actually kind of like a little cherry tomato plant, and all of these plants are going to be the same size. They were grown in the same seed starter mix medium, and we're going to plant them all in 1-gallon pots. So as you can see, these little spoon tomato plants are all about the same size. So we're going to take all 3 of these and plant them in the different pots with the different soil mixes. Okay, we've got all our plants planted and watered, and we're going to come back in about 4 or 5 weeks and see how these plants have progressed in the different soil mixes. And if you want, follow along. I'll also be talking about the different nutrient content and the ingredients in each mix after we see the results. Thanks for watching. Okay everybody, it's been about 4 weeks since we planted our spoon tomatoes in the 3 different potting soil mixes, Fox Farm Ocean Forest soil, SunGrow soil, and Pro Mix soil. So we're about to find out what kind of results we've had over the 4-week period. Okay guys, so these are the 3 plants that we have. This is SunGrow, And this is the tomato plant planted in ProMix, and this is the one that we planted in the Fox Farm Ocean Forest. As you can see, all of the plants have grown very similar in size, and these are naturally very spindly plants, very lanky spindly plants. So that's just the genetics of this particular small tomato species. But you can see all of the plants look very similar, and they're all about the same height as well. So can we really say that one soil, has produced better results than the other? I just don't think we can say that. I think we've achieved very similar results with each type of soil, and each is around the same price point. They're a little pricey. You're looking at 3 premium potting soil blends. Each of them do have different ingredients. So the Sungrow has the Canadian sphagnum peat moss, and it has perlite in it. It has some dolomite lime, earthworm castings, gypsum, and a wetting agent. The ProMix actually has sphagnum peat moss also, with some compost, perlite, gypsum, limestone, and mycorrhiza. And the Fox Farm Ocean Forest soil has peat moss as well, earthworm castings, bat guano, fish emulsion, crab meal, and sandy loam. And if you're wondering why this middle stem has been cut off, actually something hit the middle stem, and there was a gust of wind and something hit it and actually broke it, so I had to cut that off. But all in all, I'm happy with each of these potting mixes and the results I've achieved with each of these. You can see there's flowers on every plant, so every plant is actually about to fruit and produce the little spoon tomatoes. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.